Okay, today we will start experiment number 16. The thinner content in oil paint. As means how much thinner present in the oil paint, it is determined by means of these experiments. What are the practical outcomes? It is determine the thinner content in oil paints. Why need to determine the thinner content? To check the quality of paint. What are the resources required? This is a crucible or porcelain dish, electric ovens, chemical balance, desiccator, calcium carbonates for moisture absorption, and oil paint. What is the procedure? Weigh approximately 1 gram of paint on electron balance in the porcelain dish. Keep the porcelain dish properly heated in electrical oven at 120 degrees centigrade, which is previously heated, for 1 hour. Keep the porcelain dish into desiccator after cooling and weight again the samples. By knowing that the weight of paint goes on decreases, calculate by this value CO2 thinner content in paints. What is the observations? Weight of empty porcelain dish W1, weight of porcelain dish with paint W2, weight of paint W is equal to W2 minus W1, weight of porcelain dish plus paint after heating, it is W3, and loss in weight Z is equal to W2 minus W3. The value Z is put into the calculations. Calculate the percentage of thinner content in oil paint is equal to Z grams. 100 gram paint content dash dash ml of thinner. This is Z into 100 divided by original weight W. Then 100 gram into this much Z value into 100 divided by original weights. Then the paint content such much amount of thinner present into the paint. The result is thinner content in paint is dash dash dash. Then conclusion that this paint is either good quality, either poor quality, very bad quality, satisfactory, very good, etc. etc. Then what are the tools? Again come to our practicals. This is the pair of tongue, it is needed. This one is the porcelain dish in which paint you have taken. This is the spatula for paint taken. This is electronic balance, you have to charge you have to get your electric switch, then start the button, adjust the 0. Okay. Zero is adjusted. Then you have to wait the empty porcelain dish. It should be washed and dried, empty porcelain dish. What is the reading? 357.22. 357.22. This is the weight of empty porcelain dish, W1. Then you have to take the paint in it, approximate 1 gram. Then you note the reading, porcelain dish with paint, $372.19. Okay. Then after you are taking the weights, remove the porcelain dish and by using a pair of tongue, you would keep in the hot air walls. This is the hot air oven machine. You switch on the button, electric buttons. This is the power supply. You have to measure you have to off the buttons. This is on off, this is off, this is on. Temperature is 0 to 300 degrees centigrade is given by the hot air oven. Our target is to maintain the 120 degree centigrades. 120. This much temperature you have to maintain. How to control it? This is the exhaust 6. The coil are there, trace is there. This is the exhaust fan, motor is there. By this you have to control the temperature. If temperature more than 120, it is to be removed by the aerations. When you close, then your temperature is to maintain 120. This porcelain dish you have to keep for heating in porcelain dish, porcelain in the hot air walls by pair of tongue, and close the doors for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you have to maintain the tray number 3. Okay. This tray number 1 to 3. On the button, maintain the temperatures. After 1 hour, remove the you are doing this dish and weigh again as the W3. And after you are to getting 1 hour, you have to wait as the W3 here and put the value of Z in formula and calculate the weights. You have to wait for the weight. Or here is calculate the W. The W is equal to 372.919 minus this one 357.2. So something जो value त्या ठिकाणी put करा. After 1 hour झालेली हे W3 इथं put करायचे and calculate करायचे. You have to complete your thinner content plus. You have to wait for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you have to remove the porcelain dish by the use of pair of tongue. This is the heating coil is there. This heating coil heated the paint. Thinner get evaporated, only paint constituents are there. And you have to remove this plate. गरम असते खूप त्याला हळूच pair of tongue घ्या. Then you have to pull it for few minutes. After pulling, you have to wait the porcelain dish again. Then note the reading. 362.90. Then this value is at the W3. That means here is what happened. 372 minus 19 minus 357.22. This value you have to write down here. Here is a W2 जी value तुम्हाला भेटेल W2 ची 372.19 minus 362.90. This value you have to put here. Z you have to put. This Z value you have to put in the formula and calculate the percentage of thinner content in all paints. It's very simple practicals. You have to do only the skill of weighing. Again, you have to understand the previously heated the hot air walls. It is 120 degrees.